Hi, in last video we have seen how we can print the list of the prime number, and in this video we are going to see how we can write a program to convert all the words into uppercase and print the length of the word which is present inside the string. So basically this is the output what I want, like each and every word in this particular string I want to print in the capital, and along with that I want to print the length of that word also. So I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. So let's start, but before going to start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so let's see how we can convert like all the word of the string into the uppercase. Previous videos I have already told you, if the interviewer giving any string like this, like space separated or comma separated, so there is a one hint, like you have to understand there is a most of the chance like that problem is going to be solved with the help of the split operator. So basically this is one of the string is given, and I want to convert each and every word of that string into the uppercase. So I'm going to first convert this string into the list, and we know, like if we are going to split any string, it will by default going to be converted into list. So let me show you how it's look like. So list equals to, what I want to do, I want to split this L. So this is the syntax how you can split, and let me print this list, and let me run and show you what exactly it's printing. So previously it was like this: my name is Durgesh and I am from Mumbai. Now after using this split, it is converted into the list, and this is how it's look like. So the next step what we have to do, like I want to convert this each and every word in the uppercase. So let's see how we can do. Let me remove this one, and I'm taking one variable s equals to, and here I'm going to use the concept of the list comprehension, so that will also you will get clear idea. So what I want, for each element where in the list, right now we have stored each and every item in the list only. So for each element in the list, what I want to convert into the uppercase. So if you remember, when I in the list data type video only, I have shown you all are the inbuilt method provided by the list. So uppercase is one of the method which is provided by the list, so or Python. So let's see, for example, if I want to convert into the uppercase, for that upper space. So, and at last I want to print that list. Let me run and show. See, all the words are converted into the uppercase, but there is one more things we have to do. Like here I have written print the length of the word which is present inside the string. So like for my, there is a 2 characters, so I want to print 2. For name there is a 4 characters, so I want to print 4. Like that I want to print for each and every word. So let's see how we can do. So if you remember, we have a length function, and what length I want for each word. So x is nothing but the word only. But here is a one twist. Let me run. See, here we are getting error. Why we are getting error? Because if you are using the list comprehension concept, and in that if you want to print more than one variable or item, at that time you have to pass like them as a list only. So here I'm taking one more square bracket, then let me run. See, my to name 4 is 2, like that it's printing. So I hope you are getting how we can write a program to convert all the word into the uppercase and print the length of the word which is present inside the string. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.